Hello there, Pisces. Welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am so excited to finally be on your sign. You guys, I'm happy because this means that I'm done. This means that I am at the end of the love cycle here. It was pretty rough by the time I hit Capricorn. So hopefully you guys have a more positive energy and more positive messages that come through today. So if you are here and you are new, welcome. I am Lady of the Throne, and I am a spiritual healer, intuitive guide, master teacher, and earth angel. So welcome, guys. I'm glad you're here. If you resonate, like and drop a comment down below if you want to, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. So Pisces, let's go in and talk about what's going on, you guys. If you want to go deeper after this, there's going to be a link down below in the description box that leads you to the extended video. So there is another video that you will have access to watch as many times as you want. You can stream the video and see what other messages come up about this situation in your love life. If you're interested, it is there. So Pisces, how do you feel about your person of interest? July 1st through the 15th. It looks like some of you could be frustrated, honestly, frustrated with the details of the situation that you're involved in with this person. There could be things within the connection that you're really frustrated with. And I think that something that this person is showing you at this time or saying to you does not add up to what you know is going on behind the scenes. So they're saying one thing and doing another. They're doing one thing and saying another. They're moving, how they're moving and what they're saying does not add up. So you're trying to find out what is the truth of everything, because this person is very confusing and they like to manipulate the situation by making you think two different things. And you don't like to be in two different mindsets about things. You want to just be in one mind about everything, and you want to have clarity and truth about it all. You don't want two different things. So I'm getting here that this person seemed to be acting this way because they want to impress you. They want to do things toward you that you already know they're trying to do this to keep you around. So the reason why you're not seeing things add up with this person, I feel, is because maybe, and I'm just giving an assumption here, I don't like to give personal information on a general video, but it seems like this is someone who could be doing things, like the actions could be so that they can impress you. Meanwhile, their reality is totally different from what they're showing you. Like they're not actually doing the things they're not actually saying the things that they're doing, or vice versa, they're not doing the things that they're saying. So it's really interesting with this individual, but they want to keep you around, I think, and that could be a reason why for some of you. For others of you, you are just like, look, I'm not going to try to figure this out. I'm calling this person out on what they're doing. I'm going to call you out. I'm no longer going to let you use my good energy to your benefit, right? So some of you could feel like that, like you're just putting your foot down because you realize that this person's doing things for their own benefit and not for yours. And I think you're just putting your foot down right now, and you mean what you say. That's just how you feel. Let's look at how they feel. This person feels pretty neglected right now by you, because with this change or shift in your energy, you also make them feel left out. They feel like you're being antisocial with them. You don't want to talk. They know you're mad right now, or you're upset about something that happened recently or in the past. They know that you're holding on to something. So with this person, there's a few non-negotiables here. It's things that will not change and things that can be worked on. And they know that some things they can't change. Some things they can work on. So they feel like they're working on what they can work on. And so when it comes to you, they feel like you're shortchanging them in this connection. Like they're expecting you to make changes, but the changes you make, you're not willing to change everything. It's like you're changing some things, but not everything yourself. So for them, they're looking at it like, okay, if I make all these changes, what about you? What about what you're going to be doing too? You have to contribute to this too. If we're going to work together, we're going to work together, not just me being the person making changes. So that's how they see it from their perspective. This person feels like you're not putting in as much as they do, or putting in as much work as they do. And you could be, really not being fair in a sense. But overall, I think that this person is focused on giving you a real offer at this time, something that is more set in stone, something that's more concrete. How do you see this person? Some of you have found that your partner is interested in spirituality. Even if they are a male, they are interested in spiritual things, and they could be connected to Egypt. They could be into the pyramids. They could be into things like that. They could be connecting to myself. They could be watching me. You could find them watching my videos. They could be interested in watching, learning information. They could have found out that that's what you do, something like that. So I am getting that this person is connected to goddess Isis, and they find a very deep connection, and they are like literally connected. So it's a person who is just like, yeah, I've made the connection. I'm so interested in this and I want to learn more. So the way you see this person is restoring and remembering things from their past life. This could be a person who's remembering things about who they were in the past. They could also be going through like an early childhood remembrance as well. So if it's not about a past life, it can just be when they were younger. They're trying to remember things, or things that are from their past are coming back up now that they're into spiritual things. So this person is someone who you find that is trying to balance this twin soul connection. So with them trying to find balance in the connection, they're also becoming more spiritual to do it. So they're going to spirituality to learn how to live a more whole life, how to really pray. This could be someone who wants to really learn how to pray better. This could be someone who's more interested in gospel music, or wants to join a church soon. Or maybe not even that. This person may pick up a Bible on their own and just start reading it. Or this person may try to find out, like, how do people that are spiritual really live this fulfilling life that I see people live. And like, I want to be like this too. I want to connect to who I really am. I want to be a clean person. I want to be holy. I want to be sanctified. I want to be better. So this could be a person who's like that. This person is understanding that there is a sacredness to spirituality, and that this person knows that readers like myself and gifted souls like myself have divine wisdom and can help them decode the memories of their soul and tell them many secrets about things that they didn't know or realize, which helps them understand the whole concept of what it is like to be a real Christian, or what it is like to be a real child of God. So this person is like, yeah, I want to know how to really be like this, because obviously I wasn't aware that I could actually spend more time invested into something that's right. Okay, so that's what this person's on. Now, that's how you see them. So how do they see you? They see you being very sexual at this time, or having a high sex drive. Also, they could be seeing you as a person who they want to experience something with sexually. They could be seeing you as somebody that they want to have tantric sex with, like spiritual sex. Or maybe the idea of having sex with you for the first time is more of an experience for them and not just plain old sex. Maybe this is going to be something super magical. Maybe when they think, because you're so, come on, you're a Pisces. You're Pisces, which means that you're so dreamy and you're so mystical and mysterious. So this person may think that when they engage in this type of activity with you, they don't know what to expect, but they just think it's going to be so amazing. They just have this thought like, oh, it's going to be so amazing to do this with this Pisces, or it's going to be so magical, or it's going to be such an experience, of a lifetime, right? So this person thinks a little out there when it comes to mating with you, and that's how they think about it. They just think like, oh, this is, you must be their dream girl. For a lot of you, you must be the person that they've always wanted. But this person is seeing you as going through a major awakening, and where regarding your sexuality and the self-love that you have for yourself. Because so this person could see you touching yourself, to be honest with you, or they may want to see that from you. Maybe they want to see you do that. They want you to embrace your divine femininity, because a part of being a divine feminine is being tapped into your sexuality. They don't want you to be afraid of your sexuality. They want to see you embrace it. So this person is so interested in knowing what it feels like. And yeah, that's how they see you. Really, really sexy. Really, they see you as their lover. They have a lot of passion towards you that they want to ignite. And also, they don't feel like you have ego. They really don't. They don't see you having a big ego. They probably used to, but right now they don't feel like you have a big ego. They feel like you guys are able to actually become one, and they're learning your personality so well, and they feel like the time has finally come for you guys to come together in a sexual way. They're ready to feel you physically. This person wants to be around you, or this could be how they see you wanting them sexually and wanting to be around them. So yeah, this is really cute, Pisces. So yeah, guys, this is what I have. If you want to go deeper, there's more information. There's more things to uncover. It was really fun. So yeah, come and check out the extended. Thank you. God bless.